Hi everybody, chapter 1, video 3. This is Miss Dozier.
And Miss Lahar. I like the do.
I hit the wrong button and then I had to find the right slide. You know, it happens. We're going to solve equations containing fractional exponents.
This is what they look like. They're equations that have fractional exponents.
Look at that, everybody. Whoa.
We just want you to look at them before we tell you the steps.
Would you look at that?
Very easy.
You're going to isolate the term with the rational exponent. That means fraction.
Yep.
Work backwards from your order of operations.
So get rid of adding and subtracting, multiplication and division, yada, yada, yada. Step 2, raise both sides to the reciprocal.
If you were watching me, I'm raising the roof right now. It's happening.
Because it's awesome. So what's a reciprocal? I think that's what this is. Yep. So you just flip it.
Yep. It's not negative reciprocal like in geometry, how you were so used to negative reciprocal.
Right.
It's just reciprocal because you want the stuff to cancel.
Yep. So 1/2's reciprocal, 2/1.
Boom.
And then you just solve it
And check it. Yeah.
Solve it and check it.
Bum, 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 bum. Here we go.
Okay.
Okay. So I don't really have much to undo. You always want to make sure that whatever is being raised to the fractional exponent, is by itself. It's isolated. So there's no 3n, there's no plus 2 anywhere. So I can just go ahead and raise it to the reciprocal. Now the reason we do this is because it's just like, dividing by 2 when it's 2n. It's the same process. Power to a power, that's going to undo this exponent that I want to get rid of to get n by itself. Because 3 then cancels with this 3, 2 cancels with this 2, and the negative cancel each other out. Up here, you got to do some math. Power over root, people.
Okay.
So you take you're going to flip it, so the 729 would be on top, and then it's the cube root of 729 squared. Yes, you can use your calculator for that. Boom. And then you would check it.
Yeah, you would check it. We're not showing the check because we know that we're right because we're awesome.
Yep.
But you should check.
Sometimes we're wrong, let's be honest.
All right. This one has a little bit more steps. I see 1 minus 4 times x over x raised to the 4/3. Be careful here. So first you're going to get rid of the 1 by subtracting 1.
Boom.
Then you have to divide by -4.
Be careful, people. Make sure you isolate first. A lot of people will want to get rid of that now. No, you got to get rid of that 4 first.
If there was a parenthesis around -4 and x, then you can raise both sides.
Whole different story.
But now is the time when you raise both sides to the reciprocal.
Raise it.
4th root of AB1 is 3. 3 cubed is 27.
Boom.
And then you would check it.
Okay, oh my goodness, there's so much. Okay, take a breath. Add your 1. So you get 1,458, 1,458. Equals to the quantity, yada, yada, yada. So you probably really want to do those little arches. Don't do it because these parentheses have this exponent attached and the 2 is not included. They're not invited to that party. So you need to divide that 2 out because the 2 is being multiplied here. So you're going to divide by 2. And now, because this entire thing is in parentheses, you can do your power over root at this, your reciprocal, and then apply that power over root rule to the left side. So do the reciprocal, power over root on the left, and now we're happy algebra that we all know how to do.
Yep, subtract 35, divide by 2.
Boom.
Sorry I didn't show those steps, but hopefully we can do it.
No, you guys can handle it. I'm not sorry that she didn't show those steps.
Oh, okay. All right, so here we go. So first you would add 5 over.
Boom.
And then you do have to get rid of a negative in front of a parenthesis. So be careful. That's a -1. So we're going to divide both sides by -1.
I also would just like to point out, don't just make the executive decision to make this negative disappear. I know a lot of you do that. Yes, don't do it, please.
All right, so then you get that. So now that you have it isolated, you can raise both sides to the reciprocal, which would be 2/3. And then the cube root of 27 is 3. 3 squared is 9.
Boom.
And then solve that by adding 3, divide by 4.
Look at us go. Always check your work.
That's it.
Always
Boom.
check your work. Raise it to the reciprocal, people.
Reciprocal.
Not to the roof, but to the reciprocal. Have a great day. We'll see you in class.